Look at that. Okay? Kinky edges, baby. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Klaiyi Hair Company for sending me this bomb unit right here, guys. Now as you guys can see, this install today was very simple. It was very easy. Now starting off, this is a kinky straight unit, guys. It's 24 inches long and it's kind of like a natural density, about 150% density to 180% density. Don't quote me on it. All the information will be left down below. Now with this unit, it did come with an adjustable strap, which I actually use and made sure that I secure this wig down. So before actually spraying this wig with my Even Wonder lace, you guys would have seen that this unit is pretty glueless, which I love. And the fact that this unit, it has a kinky edges, guys, or the curly edges, it makes it pretty much seamless. So therefore you can absolutely wear this unit glueless. Obviously in today's video I sprayed it down so I can give you guys more of a install type of effect in this video. Obviously this is an install video. Now with this unit, I'll probably wear it for a few days and it's going to be pretty secure. But even if the lace lifts just a little bit, guys, I'm not worried about it at all, just because the edges kind of conceal everything you need to. With this one, I kind of played around with it a little bit. You really can't, you know, baby hair it down with the edges like this, so I just kind of let it do its own thing. I did spray some sections and try to, like, you know, mold it into the areas, but I want it to be kind of free and flowing so that it has more of a natural vibe. So this is not my first time reviewing a unit like this from a company, but I will say that this one is probably the best one I've had so far as far as a kinky straight one with edges. This one is not too far apart. Like the last unit I had, it was a little bit too spaced out, but I feel like they did a good job spacing this one, so it still has kind of a natural effect. And if you kind of play around with the baby hair, you can kind of mold them into the lace right here, so it kind of looks more realistic. I do like the fact that this one is a nice texture as well. When it came to straightening this unit, guys, it's straightened like butter. I washed this one, I actually bleached the knots on it, and then I blow dried this unit out and straightened it. So it does have like a little bit of less of an oomph to it, but obviously you guys can see it definitely is still a full unit. It definitely looks like someone that just got their hair relaxed and they kept it pushing. Not all the time you want to wear them plaster baby hairs. I feel like The whole kinky edge vibe is definitely more realistic in my opinion. It's just not as plastered, and you do still get a little bit of character. I know some of the times I go ahead and do my little plastered baby hairs, but not all the time does it look that great. So it's nice to have something that looks a little bit more realistic, a little bit closer to, you know, if someone got their hair blown out and they had their little bit of edges out. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I feel like straightening it just made it look so much more va-va-voom. I feel like the hair straightened like butter. You guys can still see the nice kink to it. I do feel like I received like a little bit of shedding with this hair. Nothing crazy, nothing major. I don't think I've really been getting that type of shedding with this brand. Klaiyi hair has been kind of solid with their unit, so it's just a little bit of shedding with this unit, but nothing crazy. The hair all in all, guys, is absolutely stunning. I didn't tweeze anything. I didn't touch anything. Look at that. Can you look at that? Okay. Kinky edges, baby, and it looks freaking amazing. Like, it looks so realistic, so pretty, just very natural. And I like the fact that I can wear this any type of way. This one does have an adjustable strap in the back, guys. I felt like this one, as far as the medium to average cap size, it fit pretty good on my head. I don't have any of that bumping in the back, and as like I said, the adjustable strap on here definitely helped out to create the glueless effect on this unit. So even if this unit starts lifting, like I mentioned before, I'm not going to respray it just because it's going to lay flat, and you got a little bit of protection with these little baby hairs right here. So yeah, so thank you to Klaiyi Hair Company for sending me this unit. I also want to mention that they actually sent me like this really cute undergarment dress to go with my robe. This is the first company that I actually seen create like a night dress as well, and the night dress is cute. I did stand up and show you guys the link so you guys kind of saw the matching set, and I love the fact that it's green and it has the brand's name on it. So shout out to you. You're the first company that actually has a whole set with the robe and the dress. The next thing you guys need to do is create some really cute fuzzy slippers, and then you guys are good to go. But shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this. Love the unit. Like I said to you guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code. I definitely recommend picking this one out. I've reviewed another one from another company. I feel like this one is definitely better. I love that it's not too much. I love that it's not too spaced out, and I love that it looks very, very natural, and the hair texture and everything goes chef's kiss with the unit. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this one, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.